walk up and now young fan ko walk up. Assuming at a point, now me feel so I die off because somebody care about mama fella. I will fear Sir Otuado as the coach at the Mayan national team. No, so as the head coach there, the day you on in a week. I ran to the Nyadia Obisia Kambium at the Ama and the Black Stars of Ghana. And the name said that chapter there, you're close enough. The issue of young for the day Kobo game and from Black Stars, no. Yenim said that discussion, yen and so abo a Ghana. It means I die off. All of a sudden, Adiano, I surface no. Yenim baby a free. Na diakutumun chinukra aye enra. Your general captain, Dede Ayew. I also say, "Oko Air Dash League in my ho." At Rosina Kai, at the ma aye nak brother, ho. At na Abrantini Siakai. Na ye pijabo biko 8 box room, and the day panai. Atrana Kasei. Born 12 and a month for say, I catch them. Dede Ayew no on him born a bo. So, ain't you forget about the age in our nini na why, and at the Abrantini, the no co walk up now. Obetimi aboyan ama walk up ni bia timi akonkan dia man ebesusu o na sa nak brother there na we kura no asande go back open wa hye enti anyina no nkoa so yemfa no nkoa nya ya 6 yemfa no kobo walk up na ensam no aye bebre ena bi bisaw o ehe na ugina Dede Ayew okọ nak brother no ahene kakra na wo hwe na ofu se oye player ye ko walk up bi otuado no consider no na yemfa no nkobo eye walk up no ana na yentie mpanifo bi before Fifi Manfred and Bismarck also been Ayala and so bebem on this Dede Ayew topic na fe yehwe se betimi agade aka no and so etimi e dia mama first one coach Ignacio so say fosu okọ eye Sudan on assistant coach the eba coach Kwesi Apia ono so de na no ato sanse se mu yentie bi na fe Bismarck also been Ayala nom and so emrem on Dede Ayew and send to me.
I like Dede's man. Dede is my man. But for me in football, sometimes you get to the peak and that's it. He might be very, very good player. But you ask yourself in this current setup, is he needed? For me, no. Dede is my man. But for me, I think it has to do with at a point you get to the point you say, okay, let them play. You have to leave when the applause is high. And I think he at that time, I think he should. Dede himself should let it go and then focus on his club football. That's why I like these white people. You know, at a point, you remember what's his name? Totti. They called him to the Italian and he says, no, I want to focus on club football. They have a lot of them. They are still playing at the highest level.
Tony Cruz and Jenny,
yes.
They try to recall him.
You see, there are a lot of them who play. I think we should move on from
this discussion.
Because we have two, for example, how old is Jordan in the Black Stars now? And we want to bring Dede who is older than him 3 years.
Okay, assistant coach at the Sudan national team Ignacio so since ankomo no bomfantu baby kura Dede Ayew there adobe dia magana bia no ayewie momma brante ne nwene no ho na ontra ne baby na yemfa players I fuse on betimi abo cup no emfa enko ono no na dwenche no na okọ Ketu North amu MP honorable Eric Edem abana na opani no so de na no ato Dede Ayew ensensemi yentie no na afei yemfa emidi yenkomo.
We will do well and possibly do better.
Well, I always say that the coach should be allowed to make the best decision. But if you ask me, we need to reward sacrifice and hard work. He should be included, and loyalty. He should be included. That is my. At his age, it's beyond his age. He's still actively playing. Only yesterday he scored a beautiful goal. That is. I'm saying that I'm not going to decide for the coach. But my view is that Dede has shown enormous commitment and loyalty to the Black Stars, and I think he must be included. Let me tell you, one of my regrets from the 2006 and 2010 World Cup is that Eli Kingston did not play. I thought that even with injury and the second one, which was the suspension, he should have been included in the team. Because we saw how hard he fought for the qualification. That is why personally I am against players who said no to us in the past. I don't think that they should be. I mean, that is me my view, but that's my view, not even the view of my constituency.
Okay, Auntie, I know I am MP Edema Ketu North, Honorable Eric Edem, Abana, and now Odessa Nkomoyi, and so at the Atugana, Honorable Senator Nazemi Ajitum. sa national team no coach omo dwuma no amene so omo head na omo yi players me yakobo World Cup no but no dey senka wo busa ne pa ose Dede o share national team jersey obian ahofama ane sadia brand no was sacrifice e dey am national team enti this is the time I was Ghana yen so ye dey a sharp brand no animunyam enkenkan ne bo okoya obo e dey ma aye brother no gidie sa brand no dey ko World Cup and say because we are conquering and na ade ama aye Ghana ni nyina so ntia ofu se o se Dede Ayew and so ekọ aye World Cup no and so be and no govi me sha sem free with this Dede Ayew issue assign surface no ho our aye the media space no
I think was it last Dabeni Edi come on
last week minister ne die no
Ayala being to the possible political underpinnings to the push to get Dede Ayew there, and certain things now, or kind of with time you can tell that they look true. Now, maybe I don't think that we are there. I don't think it's time to discuss the Dede Ayew going to the Black Stars. I don't think Dede Ayew has anything again to offer us. I mean, in 19 years or so for the Black Stars, I think he has done enough. For me, I don't think Dede Ayew has to go and join the Black Stars for any reason. I mean, at the beginning, I'm enjoying was okay, fine. Maybe we can bring Dede in for the qualities of the experience and what have you. Again, some argument from elsewhere about we looking into the future to build a solid team that look beyond just the World Cup is important. I think that supersedes the argument of say Oma Dede Aba based on experience. And again, it's a open experience. Any Matisse and focus will be to me a lot of vibes, any goodwill, any leadership, any Nahufama or Bema players. Now we don't. If CB here Dede Ayew to come and do that for us, then we don't even have to go to the World Cup. CB here Dede Ayew to come and let the players know that so much a Ghana Jesse now, and so much with certain level of pride. Then we don't need to go to the World Cup. Then what is the technical team doing? And Mekacho said, I remember clearly that I was told, say, when Otuado came back, in that press conference, but at the time, there was an issue of a new PR person that came. I think it was Neil Armstrong Mutagwe and now Fresh to do a job of PR. And he advised the technical team, said, the times were not good, PR-wise. So this idea
discussions
in public, Omambe can outright say Dede doesn't have a place in his team. But you can tell that the team has moved on beyond him since March 2024. We're in 2026. It's been 2 years this month. 2 years since Dede Ayew kicked the game for us. You call the next international break. It have been 2 years since Dede Ebo MI. So I mean, I kind of agree. So there's no point bringing Dede Ayew back into the Black Stars. And almost all the argument who elsewhere looks like truly there is a political underpinning to almost all the statements. And I say it is from sentimental point of view. And at the beginning, I held that as well. Say, okay, fine. But you look at the other arguments and it supersedes those ones. So I don't think there's any World Cup. Yes, that was some case.
Concentration or club level.
Yeah, you moving on from that. There are a lot of players who have not retired or club level, so they don't play for their national team. Yeah. It happens elsewhere. So I think we can move on.
Okay. I don't know. Me, I was here in so near Van World Cup. And it's tangible.
Obi oni me bia nim say I am not against free speech. And they say Obi Chenajin Dabi. Because sebi if you say away nyansa any ba kufu trim. And opinion about Bibi is your opinion about Bibi. Man ho kwan mo bin so and Chenajin. Send you also feeling. But Rich, a dream maybe say Ayana, I want to assume the responsibility of the work IFN journalism. Send a bear say obit yemia. maybe some na mekano will shape on only opinion. Nti obu ha ono ankasa ne opinion on this matter. But otiemi wi a osi o okay say na asem ne tie dia enemy opinion no say na me giri say in the true conviction of the amigidi no say me de kwa ebeboa. Now how do I do my journalistic work on this subject? It is to tell obi a holding komoni bibiano the facts about the situation. Now, this will not be the first time. Obia otie Nhyira passports bia de. Sa se me ameke watida. Dede Ayew the last club or boy and son of Okwakobonak brother was Le Havre in France.
Oh, France, yeah.
Time at the Debo Le Havre no. Otuado. Any the old technical team took a decision on Andre Ayew, left the operation of that decision communication to Onu Otto, any the then assistant coach Joseph Lohman. They drove Omutuka Echo Dede Ayew, the resident in France, time no bobo Emma have. Amuko yebuso amuko answa. Amusi omasem to Captain Andre and he say Onu Dede Ayew Otuado as the head coach of the Blasters. Obaye no waye ne hyehyeye waye ne plans ni bibia. Ogitum say Odasuye Blasters coach nkwade na adwirimu no ani ne nimdie mu no Andre Ayew ne Blasters bono waboye. He is not part of the Blasters he Otto as the head coach wants to build. He told him that. Of course, Andre Ayew didn't agree. Say ne Blasters no abewe. And you know Andre, or you're very, very outspoken. And you catch you to say, he has not retired from the Blasters. And that say Otto say Andre in the future, he will be available. And with that knowledge, the only thing that has changed from Asama Mike and say Otto enya a revamp of the technical team. It is our time, no. Na obi to say when for Shafa anyhow. Na obi to say Desmond Affair anyhow. By a revamp, you know, the sound of phone about the kind of technical team, no. Now, Rich, me question and say, with Asama Mike, I mean, say, I no crano. Said down come be. Me te say Otuado as a son Andre afre Andre Ayew. My only question I maybe say again I course sana agent sisano. But Rich, you revamp technical team no say again there. You revamp ache. It is like if any component of the revamp technical team etimia convince Otto say already decision on Andrea ebi anka fendada.
Say be a friendly games boy Australian and German.
No, but I'm saying say you revamp technical team no.
Yeah.
Ache.
Sure.
Senka new members no mobeka Otto no. And so soon there a meeting. And no metimia convince say this is now only lawman mu taking on Andre no wrong. And yes say I didn't go for Andre you are ebi ankomo for ache. But then again the gap will be say you revamp technical team no. Na ebia satam so na Andre afile hava onye active on the club afei na since I revamp technical team no Andre asaba back to active football until you can reintroduce that to the technical team. But Rich, the Otto I know personally this issue a non-starter.
Instagram.
on Sisana. He is still that same person who sees these blasters as not the blasters that is fit for Andre Ayew going forward. Say damn baby. Say Otto ni ho. Na Andre still ya active. No return from the blasters. Na coach for no obebano. As obe fena, I will not be surprised. But this Otto Adu I know, with his decision or taking on Andre Ayew, no, I don't see him say no. But there's a caveat. Rich, there could be other powerful hands that can force the hands of Otto say, yeah, but some friend Andre Ayew. Now, when it gets to that bridge, Rich, I can put my head on a chopping block. Say, Otto will rather leave the Blasters job than to be forced to take a decision he doesn't believe in it.
Obey.
You are yet to meet Otto, eh? Miss Asem me makama nya backlash bebre, but because it is the truth, me nim pass some na make any no. I don't care. Rich, me say, Open one of the most toughest persons on his job. Otto kan. So I catch you say adewe. Say dem hu no. Say ana me giri say me ya be ye. Otimi convince omo no omo ye adwuma no omo gitum say ampa de awoka no ye no ya adwea. Rich, I am telling you, the last time I was telling people, and because of lack of knowledge about Assembly American Intino, they think I am joking. Rich, Otto, since Obey Blasters Ejuma, every competition, my memory classical example, the last World Cup you call in Qatar, before Otto handed the list of players that were from to the World Cup, he had called every player on the list one by one on phone into a flower. Hello, Otto nie. Now what you saying? We are part of my squad now. Must submit the F on submitting you, but we are part of the players. I'm doing World Cup. It start to prepare. Roll away. The best Osha. You share. You go much into it before the listener F. Not every player be all listeners. No, had gotten a call from Otto. Even players they were part of the team, but they couldn't make the final list. He called them, gave them reasons why they are not on the list. By the time the GFA published the list for the World Cup, Rich said, "Maybe I won't listen. We are disappointed. Say player A, player B anymore. That player was disappointed way back." And some put a list neighbor. That is how tough Otto is. And he said, of the decision he has taken on Andre. And that's all here, Juma. Look, let's forget about this topic. Let's forget about it.
Well, they don't have political push.
You see?
It's clear.
You see, maybe they can say, I don't hold grudges with Obi opinion. Obi motivation may not be my motivation. Obi friendship with Obi may not be my friendship with Obi. Marriage, even on the basis of what we know Otuado's decision on Andre is, Mibuso, say enye Ghana for now. Rich, we are overly concerned about being stacked and being short term. Rich, into work up here, ye any baby a blasters ye freer, ye share autos as on for ye any the motive of ye building a new blasters under Otto. Rich, do you build a new blasters whilst looking back, or you need to give opportunities like World Cup slot for new players to come in? And Komaya Rich, does it fit the purpose with which FNO communicate teacher get over the Otuadwaba?
DJ Puzo, Lab FM programs manager, I'll say the day is not needed, but in Naki is a question.
Not Williams.
I was just the day Yadia. In Naki, Yaza.
Obianka said they don't win. Me have not said they don't win. They don't win as I say.
In our national team to see a World Cup.
You see, that word Obi win. It's wrong.
And maybe
you don't say that. Yes. My master can say the American child DJ puts on OTA show and say the topic this kind technical team led by Otuado have moved on that. And your topic nasam.
Yeah, because if it's because they don't need him, we shouldn't even mean words to DJ Puzo.
No, but you see,
maybe respect
you see, Fifi.
Yeah.
The reasons and the words chosen.
Yeah.
As spoken to Dede by Otto, we don't know.
Yeah.
It may not be we don't need you.
Yeah.
And it may be I want to build a future.
Yeah.
And it normal. So I will not want to put. I know how people listen to shows.
Yeah.
No, I know how they go to outside.
Apart from that, Kano, say not needed no air brofo. But I mean, so be ba when him necessary say me who say obi ebetimi aye say adwuma na wo ye no. Nti bi atena nchen ka na say bi a ye pese e build team in plain no. O services now the mine no.
It's not needed.
You powerful for e bi brofo na man too harsh. But to people like DJ Apuzo who love the day you know, they should understand that the team also has to move on.
Okay. Look, yeah, it's in channel. And this topic seems BB from my end. Otto, he has taken that decision way back.
Bertrand, Russell will be saying any sports, so I was saying any serious footballing nation don't want to go far with their development. Dede Ayew shouldn't even be a topic for discussion for our national team, but rather start talking about how we will perform. Okay, I know that you're the Abraham. I don't know. You're from Kucha Humrana.
My memo update me. Say we are in a group with Croatia, right?
Yeah. Panama and then England.
Omobo Colombia, and I think Brazil in their friendlies. Send able 2 games in. You look at their team. My friend, Dallas friend for those 2 friendlies. It still has the likes of Kramaric, Luka Modric, and Moniadi in their team. Me, that is why I will not want us to draw the basics. Say, yeah, obi enfia wedi, and the time of Sasa or Bob Blaster a check. I don't want us to even bring in a check. No. Let's respect Otto in his role as the head of the technical team of the Blasters. He has made a decision on Andre Ayew long time. Let's leave him to enjoy his work.
The problem is the issue of the other side of Omo Musi Pushi say Ombrano.
And he's
the coaches.
Exactly. In Ayala's expose, he mentioned say there are hands that are stronger than the coach.
Now someone can say,
of course, any coach in Kwajuma, there are people that can call the coach.
But at the end of the coach in the final.
No, anything that make a choice say those people can push. And the whole no to be JC on them. Otuado Jumano, let's say 1 month to the World Cup. Does it order well for the Black Stars? No.
Bema wo Johnson ni mu pai e become e yawo eni moja edi e kira